Hello, my dear sweet angels. This is the final editing your essay set of steps. Each slide is a different step. So my advice to you is to to read your essay over and over again, doing each step. What you're essentially doing is creating a bajillion drafts, but it's really, really hard for anybody, including me, to look through and look for 10 different things at the same time. So I suggest that you concentrate on one thing at a time, read the essay all the way through, go back and look for another thing, etc., etc. All right? Formatting. So you want to make sure that your essay is double-spaced. That was in a previous show as well. Make sure that your font is 12-point font. Print quality, so that means just a boring print, not anything fancy, no Comic Sans, no handwriting looking or anything like that, no cursive looking, just a boring print quality. Make sure your complete heading is in the top right. Remember that it too should be double-spaced. Everything is double-spaced. Make sure that your paragraphs are indented 5 spaces or a ½ inch, which is the equivalent of 1 tab space. All paragraphs are indented that exact amount of space. And do not skip lines between paragraphs. The whole document is double-spaced, no extra line between paragraphs. Once you've got the formatting taken care of, let's take a look at the title of the book, how you write the title of the book in the essay. The title of a book is italicized, not underlined, not in bold, not in quotation marks. The title of the book is written in full, not abbreviated, no ROTHMC, no roll of thunder. You have to write the entire title. The first word, last word, and all main words are capitalized in all titles. The title of this book is Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry. Italicize the title of a novel. All novels are italicized. Short stories are in quotation marks. Novels are italicized. Okay, the title of your essay. You want to make sure that you've got a title that discusses what your essay is about. You do not want the title of the essay to be the title of the book. The book is called Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry. Your essay is not Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry. Your essay is something about Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry. You might take a phrase or something from the book that is meaningful. You might take the thematic idea and then some words around it. You don't want to title your essay Racism. Your essay is not about racism. Your essay might be about the theme of racism in Roll of Thunder, Hear My Cry, but it's not racism. The title of the essay should not have the word essay in it. Nothing is more boring. And your title is in 12-point font, the same as the rest of your essay. Remember that it's all also black. No special pretty colors or anything like that. 12-point font, and the title is centered. Okay. You want to go through, do another read-through, checking for order of events. You don't have to read the entire thing this way, but check for order of events. Look in each paragraph. Look at your page citations and the page numbers. Within each paragraph, you want your page numbers to be in order because you're moving from event to event, and you don't want to say, oh, wait, but before this, and oh, wait, but after that. That gets confusing. So you want within each paragraph to go in the order of events, even if you did the Think in 3 style paragraphing. If your whole essay is in chronological order, all page numbers in the entire essay should be in number order, okay? So you want to go look and make sure that you've got all of that done. Okay, so some writing mechanics. This you should have been hopefully noticing all along every time you go through it, but check your capitalization. Look at names. Look at the first word in sentences. Look at titles. Look at the city names like Strawberry and Vicksburg. Make sure that the capitalization is correct. Make sure there's no text language. If I see the letter U, meaning the word Y-O-U, which shouldn't be in your essay anyway, by the way, if I see any other text abbreviations, I will stop reading. If I see the letter I written as a small letter I will stop reading and give you your essay back to correct it before turning it back in. Make sure that there are no spelling errors. If there's anything that goes underlined in red, double check it. See if you can find the correct spelling, and make sure you look through the list of options that comes up and choose the best option. And lastly, if something's underlined in green, check the options to see if you like one of those better. Sometimes the grammar check isn't always entirely correct, or it's not necessarily the best way to say something. You get to make that decision, but you should at least know what it is that they think you should be saying so you can decide. Okay, verb tense. This is a little bit harder. This is a little bit more advanced. Your essay should be written in present tense, as though the book is happening right now. Here are some verb tense checks or hints. If you see the word was or were, reword the sentence. Use is or are. Okay? If you see a word that ends in an ed, reword the sentence. Ed means past tense. If you see a word ending with ing, see if you can change it to present tense. Ing indicates the progressive tense. So you're saying something is happening. You don't want to ever say that Cassie was going to the Barnett Mercantile. Cassie goes into the Barnett Mercantile. Cassie leaves, not was leaving. Okay? And last check. Here are a couple of tips for you. You can do one or all three of these. Each time it makes your essay a little bit better. Try reading your essay into the audio recording app on your iPad. If you catch any errors, you can correct them. A lot of times, second period's coming in now. A lot of times you'll catch errors when you're saying it out loud that you don't catch while you're reading it inside your head. Next, read your essay out loud to someone. Ask them to stop you if they have any questions or things that they don't understand. Correct those spots if they need to be corrected, if you can see why they're confused. Lastly, give someone your essay and have them read it out loud to you. That also might be helpful. Then you can hear what it sounds like with somebody else reading it. Sometimes you can catch errors that way as well. All right, second period's going to come in. Hope this is helpful. Thanks. Love ya. Have a great vacation. Wait, I'm going to see you tomorrow. Anyway, bye.